What's up guys, welcome to Tech World Reviews. Today I'm checking out one of the coolest Father's Day present that I've ever seen. This is SnapFlash inspection flashlight. Yeah, you heard me correct. This is a flashlight that has a camera that allows you to go and investigate all those hidden noises that you hear in the night. This makes you go into full FBI detective mode. And for the fathers out there, we know that all the fathers out there love to be private investigators. This is exactly what they need. And trust me, this is not the average flashlight. There is so much more to this flashlight than your eyes will meet. So today I'm going to tell you about this SnapFlash, what it is, who's it for, why I think this is the coolest Father's Day present that every father should have. I'll tell you the specs, the design, the power, and my final thoughts at the end. So make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you're sharing this video to your father. Get a vibe check if there's something that they'll like. And I'll have a link in the description where you can become a backer of this product and get this product in your father's hand ASAP. So let's get into it. First up, what exactly is SnapFlash? Basically a professional inspection flashlight that has a camera mounted at the end and a flashlight that everyone is familiar with. But this flashlight and camera allows you to record whatever you're looking for and play that back on your smartphone or download it on your computer so you can go and analyze that footage. It takes photos as well as video, pretty high quality video I must say, and it is something that I'm blown away that this I haven't seen on the market yet, but it's one of the most useful flashlight I've ever come across. One of the coolest thing about this flashlight is instead of pointing your flashlight in random places blindly trying to figure out what you're looking for, you can get live video feed from the flashlight onto your phone. So you can look at your cell phone and you can see live what the flashlight is seeing. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can record, you can take still photos all on your cell phone while you're just pointing this flashlight in those hidden places. Tell me if that is not the coolest thing you ever seen. All you need is your smartphone and this flashlight. Once they're paired, connected to your smartphone, you are on your way to self-discovery, discovering all the hidden parts of your home. Trust me, this becomes very addicting for all the fathers out there. The first time using this here feels very futuristic, but I think in another year, this will be the norm for flashlight. Flashlight used to be an analog product and it's now 2026. And we are going to see more and more integration of these smart adaptation to flashlight, which is pretty cool. But this here is the first one I've seen that has all these great features. Let me give you some ideas of how this can be used. You can take this flashlight, you can check behind appliances, you can check inside your vents, you can point the flashlight in under your kitchen sink, you can point it under the cabinets. Those places that is really hard for your naked eyes to go see, you just need to point the flashlight, press the record button, and see everything on your phone. I know there's a lot of people that think this is complicated, but this is really simple, trust me. And it's so simple that anyone can use this. The camera is built directly into the flashlight. It feels very natural. Better than those bulky endoscope, better than those big high-end cameras that you need to try to ensure you have power, etc. going to where you need to investigate. This is just a simple flashlight that you point and you see directly on your cell phone what that footage is. We know that every dad loves fixing everything in the house. Sometimes they don't have a choice. Sometimes the wife tell you, you have to go fix it. This here will allow you to check inside the drywall. If you're running electrical, this will help you check plumbing. If you're running any plumbing work, HVAC work, this will help you check what there is existing so you don't cut into a pipe or you don't drill into a gas line and cause catastrophic disaster. This is a must-have, I strongly. And honestly, if you're a DIYer, if you're into smart tech, if you're into home improvement, if you're into just creative and things that make your life easy, this is a must-have. This is just something that you should have to see where you need to see when the time comes. So what makes SnapFlash different from all the other devices? Honestly, it's a combination of many things. First, it's the built-in camera. It's the powerful 1000 lumen flash. It's the 90 degrees rotating head. So not only front, you can get 90-degree tilt on the flashlight. The live app feed that you get on your phone, which is so invaluable. Also, it's the magnetic mount at the back of it, which allows you to mount this and anywhere that has a metal so you can use it. Usually many products do one of these, but this here does everything. You magnetically mount it, live video feed, 90-degree tilt, flash design. It is just simple. It's a simple flashlight with an up arrow and a down arrow that is for zooming in and zooming out. It has a record button. If you hold down about 1 second or 2 seconds, it will start recording video. If you quick press, you'll get a photo. It has the power button, so you press once, you get the power, press again, you get more light, press a second time, you get more light, and press a third time, you get the strongest powerful light. If you want to turn it off, just press and hold and it turns off the flashlight. The head tilts 90 degrees, so you just need to slide it to the right or left and you get a 90-degree tilt on the head. Back of it is magnetic, so you can mount this on any magnetic surface and go hands-free for whatever work you're doing. Slim, it is 30 millimeters in terms of thinness, so you can fit this in many small places, so it's not very bulky and takes up a lot of space when you're making those investigations. Now let's talk power, because specs is one thing, but power is where the performance is really scrutinized. And this SnapFlash is no shortage of power. It pushes up to 1000 lumens of bright. Another standout feature about this inspection tool is that this is truly wireless. No need to have any cable hooked up. You can use this wirelessly wherever you need to go to get that video recording feed done. Now let's talk about video. This flashlight from SnapFlash has 1080 or 720 video recording. For a flashlight, that's pretty good. And the video actually looks really good. No blurry, no grainy video. It is high definition color video that comes directly off the flashlight, which is pretty cool. Better than those cheap video endoscope that you find on the market. It is definitely not blurry and it's very stable, so you're not having to guess what you're looking at right away. And no need to plug anything. Everything records directly onto your phone, so you can get that video clip on your phone, send it to your contractor, send it to your neighbor, send it to your friend to show them what you just discovered in your home. It's a super fantastic way of sharing all the investigations that you're doing at home. So if you want to show someone something cool or that you discover, something that you discover that shouldn't be there, it's an easy way to record it and send it to your friend through the app. That's right, no SD card, no file transfer, no external storage, just directly save on your cell phone once you pair this to the app. Also, something that's really cool is that it does have USB-C port, so once you plug it into the USB-C port, you'll be able to charge it up pretty fast. You can go use it because it's really fast charging. With the USB-C charging, you can get between 3 to 5 hours of continuous runtime, which is more than enough when you're investigating different aspects of your home that you're trying to figure out what's happening. Now my final thoughts. I think SnapFlash will surprise you. It's one of those devices that you keep using and you can't seem to put. You hit the like button, make sure you share. Also, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, then you're in for a treat. SnapFlash is having its Kickstarter on May 27th, and you definitely want to bookmark this date. Early bird special at the Kickstarter for early bird pricing of $99. You want to click on this link here, take advantage of all the bundle deals that will be offered at the Kickstarter, and you definitely want to get this in your home as soon as possible. I can't wait for you to try this and come back and tell me in a comment below how much you love this SnapFlash inspection tool. Make sure you subscribe and share this video, and we'll see you on the next video.